I've been so stressed out.
So week one.
Let's go.
Hey guys, how are you? I have had the most stressful week ever. Oh no, I'm sure you can tell that I've made my hair. Yeah. So I have had the most stressful, very stressful weekend ever. I've been so stressed out. Week one was a struggle for me. I only exercised on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I couldn't exercise on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh my God, that's so poor. But in my defense, I had such a busy week at work, trying to balance the routine. You know, one thing about the 75 hard, you need to have a perfect routine. So I struggled with that last week. I couldn't even start studying my Bible as I wanted last week because I was still trying to get a balance. But this week will be better. I have a clear-cut balance as what I want to do. I'm about starting week 2 right now, so I was just about exercising. I was like, oh, I haven't filmed an outro for week 1. So that's about week 1. And see, I made my hair. Of course, I tied it like this because I'm about exercising. I don't want sweat all up in it. So I hope that week 2 will be better. I'm looking forward to week 2 because I think I have it well cut out and balanced. So bye guys, and thank you so much for joining me for week 1. I'll see you in week 2. Oh, and before you go, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Send this video to someone whom I needed, okay? Bye guys, see you in my next one. Mwah.